Dr. C, and today we will be going over how to navigate a word problem with a bunch of information, okay? So, first things first, I'm always going to advise that you underline the important part. So, it says together, teammates Pedro and Ricky got 2,668 base hits last season. Pedro had 276 more hits than Ricky. How many hits did each player have? Okay, so we're going to go with the first sentence. The first sentence distinctly tells us that Pedro and Ricky got 2,668. So I'm going to come here and do given Pedro plus Ricky equals 2,668. Okay? The next sentence goes on to say that Pedro had 276 more hits than Ricky. Okay? A little bit more information. Um, so Pedro equals Ricky plus 276. Okay? Okay. So now, in order to solve, we need to figure out how much Ricky actually got. The way we can do this, we have two different equations here. We're going to merge them together. So for P, we're going to put in parentheses here. We're going to do R plus 276 plus R equals 2,668. Okay? So if we put that together, we're going to merge like terms. Like terms is going to be 2R plus 276 equals 2,668. All right. We're trying to get R by itself, so we distinctly need to move the 276 over here. And when we do that, 2,668 minus 276 is 2,392. So that leaves us with 2R equals 2,392. Again, we have to get R by itself. So the only thing that's left is we're going to divide by 2. Divide by 2. So that cancels the 2's over here out. 2,392 divided by 2 is 1,196. So Rick R is 1,196. So then we kind of plug it back into the formula to see how much each player actually got. So you can do it two ways. We can do it in the way that says P plus 1,196 equals 2,668. And then you can move it over. It's being the 1,196. So if you subtracted 2,668 minus 1,196, that gives us 1,472 equals 1,472. Or you can continue to solve for P by just doing R. We found R earlier, so then P could equal 1,196 plus 276. 1,196 plus 276 equals 1,472. That would have been another way for you to do that. Okay, so your final answers distinctly are that Ricky got 1,196 and Pedro got 1,472. Okay, we box our answers for accuracy. Okay, so this is kind of how you go through a word problem like this. I do hope that you found this to be helpful. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out. That's pretty much it. All right, take care.